Hello children, welcome to Riot Tuition Classes. We are doing chapter 2, part B, different forms of energy, okay? Now the first of the form of energy, which is very common, okay, we will talk about solar energy. So what is a solar energy? Children, what is a solar energy? What do you mean by solar energy? You should know something, okay? Solar energy. See, the energy, what is solar energy, beta? The energy radiated out from the sun. The energy radiated out from the sun is called a solar energy. The energy radiated out from the sun is called a solar. Radiated out from the sun is called a solar energy from the sun is called a solar energy. Okay, children. Now this solar energy, very common. I mean, solar energy is everywhere, you'll say, okay. So you feel the solar energy can be used, okay. Solar energy, layman क्या सोचेगा? अरे solar energy sun से तो energy सब जगह आ रहा है. तो this solar energy हम लोग use क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? Got it? हम बार बार क्यों कह रहे हैं energy crisis? Okay, so this energy, remember, this energy cannot be used directly. This energy cannot be used directly, basically directly because of two conditions. This energy cannot be used directly because, okay, it is too much diffused. It is too much diffused, spread out everywhere. Okay, it is spread out everywhere, diffuse. And secondly, it is not uniform. It is not uniform. I mean, you cannot tell in this particular place so much of energy, heat energy will always be obtained. Okay, there may be a heat energy obtained today, tomorrow, after 1 hour there may not be. Okay, so it's not a uniform source of energy, and that are two reasons you can say strongly why we cannot use it directly. Okay, but of course they have been trying some collecting surfaces, okay, which will collect this solar energy, but the collecting surfaces as on today is proving to be very, very costly. So the day they are able to design a cheaper way of collecting surfaces, I'm sure this solar energy will be started. I mean, people will start using it very commonly. Okay, but today seems to be a bit costlier. Okay, then I'll tell you, still there are some devices people are designed, okay, which works on solar energy. So these devices which work on solar energy, few devices, one is a solar panel. Now, what is a solar panel? Please have a look here. Solar panel is a metal surface painted black, painted black. Now, why black is a very good absorber of heat? Painted black, okay? Why this metal surface is painted black? Because black color is a very good absorber of heat. So this metal surface can absorb a lot of heat, okay, and get heated up. Okay, so remember, solar panel is what? A metal surface painted black, which absorbs lot of heat from the surroundings, okay, from the surroundings. Now what will happen if from the surroundings, okay? Now, because this metal surface gets heated up, so if water is kept in contact with it, then it will get heated up. Okay, get heated up. That means the solar energy gets converted in the form of heat energy of this water. The water may again get converted into steam, and that steam can be used. Are you getting me here? For doing a mechanical work. So it's a important use. Solar panel is a metal surface painted black, which absorbs a lot of heat energy, okay, from the surroundings. And if water is kept in contact with it, then it will get heated up. Okay, so this was one device. Another device, what you can say, is a solar furnace. Solar furnace. Now, what is a solar furnace? I'll tell you better. Please have a look here. Usually, furnaces where a lot of heat energy is produced. So this is a furnace where heat energy is produced, but solar heat, because of the solar heat. So how that is possible? Let's see here. Let's try to understand this. Okay. So here, many parabolic mirrors are placed, mirrors are fitted in such a way that their focus their focus lie on the same area. Their focus lie on the same area. Okay, so what happens is the rays of light falling on this parabolic mirrors, they get reflected to that area, and lot of heat is produced in that area. So okay, now this heat energy can be used for heating water to its boiling point, producing steam. Got it? See, many parabolic mirrors are fitted in such a way that their focus, okay, lie on the same area. So the reflected rays of light converge to that area, I'm just rubbing it, writing it here, converge to that, 1 minute children, converge to that, the reflected rays of light converge to that area, and lot of heat energy is produced in that area. Heat energy is produced in that area. Now listen here, children. I'm writing it till here only. Now in that area, water is kept. The water will get heated up to its boiling point. Steam is produced. That steam, okay, has a lot of heat energy. Its heat energy can be used to produce mechanical energy. Got it, children? So remember the solar furnaces. Then the last of this is nowadays the solar cells. Okay, solar cells, what directly? Solar cells convert their semiconducting materials, semiconducting materials, which convert heat energy to electrical energy directly. Okay, electrical energy directly. Okay, the only thing is, children, the efficiency is too less of the solar cells. So these are the devices which work on solar energy. Okay, children, I hope people got an idea about it. Second form of energy, what you're going to learn is heat energy better. Now, heat energy, what is heat energy? Heat energy is nothing but an energy obtained. Heat energy is the energy obtained by oil, coal, wood, and gas. Are you getting me here? Okay, I repeat better. What is heat energy? Very simple, okay? Very easy. So, heat energy is the energy obtained by burning of coal, wood, oil, and gas. Okay, now one thing is very common, beta. तो ये हीट एनर्जी जो मिलेगा उसका क्या करेंगे हम लोग? This heat energy is used to heat water. From the water, steam is produced. Steam gets a lot of heat energy gets stored in the steam. This steam energy can be put to use. Heat energy can be put to use for doing some mechanical work in this way, like steam engines. Steam engines normally they use this heat energy in the steam, stored in the steam, to do some mechanical work. Are you getting me here? To do some mechanical work. So remember, children, heat energy is a very important form of energy. You get this heat energy directly from the sun also. You get heat energy directly from the sun also. So what is the use of this heat energy? Its use of the heat energy can be only say, I can say, okay, of course, lot many cooking, baking के लिए बहुत है, लेकिन I will just say, okay, from our, what I can say, from the heat energy can be used to produce steam. Okay, heat energy can be used to convert water into steam. The steam contains a lot of heat energy stored in it, and this heat energy can be again used, okay, for doing some mechanical work as we do it as the use of steam engine. Okay, children. So now I go to the next of this energy, and that energy is light energy. Okay, now what is light energy? Beta, light energy is the energy in the presence of which all the objects around us is seen. Okay, it is a form of energy. It is an energy. It is an energy in the presence of which it is an energy due to its presence, due to its presence, due to its presence, the other objects, other objects around us become visible. Okay, if this light energy would have been not there, children, we would have been literally like a blind person. Okay, like suppose in a room, okay, we make it totally dark, totally dark. You'll not be able to see any objects around you. Are you getting me? So you can understand what is light energy. Okay, light energy is the energy due to its presence, the other objects around us becomes visible. Got it? Now, the source of light energy, you can call it as a sun. Okay, source of light energy can be sun. The burning of candle, it gives a light energy. Your tube lights, bulbs, they give you light energy. Okay, so I think it's a very important form of energy. Now we go to the next of this energy, and the next of the energy what you're going to learn is chemical energy, okay, or fuel energy. What is chemical energy or fuel energy? This fuel. Why did I write this word fuel? Because this will help you. Normally we say we get fossil from the fossils. Fuel we obtain from the fossils. Okay, the fossils which have got deep buried into the earth some millions of years back. Okay, they allow us to get what you can say. The fossils will allow us to get fuels. Okay, so this chemical energy, purposely I use the word fuel energy. It helps you to, it's also called as fuel energy. It helps you to remember. So what is chemical energy? Chemical energy is the energy obtained, on burning, energy obtained on burning of fuels, okay, like fuels like petroleum, natural gas, as well as you can say coal, natural gas and coal. Got it? You can see these things when they are burned, okay, actually they have chemical energy stored in it. Okay, so when you burn them, you get this chemical energy out of them. Are you getting me here? This chemical energy, of course, helps us to do many work. Okay, it helps us in many ways. Are you getting me here? Got it? So remember this, of course, they always, the chemical energy is accompanied by the heat energy also. Heat energy also comes out with it. Okay, when fuels are burned, chemical energy is not only liberated, but also the heat energy we get it. Okay, so keep that in your mind. The next of this, after this chemical energy, what you're going to learn is what you can say hydro energy. From the name hydro, we use it for water, okay, liquids, okay. So the energy possessed by fast possessed by fast fast moving water, okay, moving water is called hydro energy, is called hydro energy. Got it? So this fast moving water, okay, has an energy, okay, with that energy is called hydro energy. We can also call it as a kinetic energy, okay, like water. I can say how it is used for producing electricity. The water is stored at high altitude. When this water is made to flow down, lot of hydro energy it has got. It is nothing but what I can say kinetic energy. This hydro energy, it falls, this water falls, this hydro energy turns the turbines in turn rotate the dynamo of the coil and electrical energy is produced. So you can see hydro energy is a very important form of energy. It helps us to produce electricity, okay? The next of the energy, what you should know is an electrical energy. Now, what is this electrical energy? Very common, okay? But remember, you're in a very simple form. I just want to tell you what is electrical energy. Whenever two dry bodies are rubbed, you have seen, whenever two dry bodies are rubbed, and then when you bring them near some light particles, you see the light particles start getting attracted to it. Got it? That means after rubbing, they possess electrical energy. This electrical energy is the cause of its attraction. So how is this electrical energy caused? Are you getting me here? So this rub bodies, when two dry rub bodies are rubbed against each other, there is a flow of electrons from one body to the other. Got it? The body which loses for electrons, we say it is positively charged. The body which gains electron, we say it is negatively charged. Are you getting me? So this charged bodies, when you bring it near the very uncharged light particles, the light particles get charged, get attracted to it. So that tells us they have got electrical energy. So what is electrical energy, beta? Electrical energy is the energy possessed by dry bodies after rubbing, okay? See, or when two dry bodies, I better put it like this, when two dry bodies, are rubbed against each other, rubbed against each other, they get charged because of the flow of electrons, and get charged because of flow of electrons, and they get now light objects get attracted to this charged bodies, okay, indicating that they possessed electrical energy. Okay, so when two dry bodies are rubbed against each other, they get charged due to the flow of electrons. And now this light objects get attracted to this charged bodies. Are you getting me here? And that tells you they got electrical energy. After talking about electrical energy, the next of the energy, what we should learn is nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy? The energy obtained in a nuclear fission and nuclear fusion reaction due to the loss of mass is called nuclear energy. The energy obtained due to energy obtained in a the energy obtained the energy obtained in a nuclear fission reaction and nuclear fusion reactions due to loss of mass is called nuclear energy. Okay, it's called nuclear energy. Now this is, this is the best form of energy because a small amount of fuel can obtain a large amount of energy. A small loss of mass gets converted into a big amount of energy. Okay, that is what it was that energy one you can see here. There is a relation given, children. Energy, what we can call it as Einstein's energy mass. Einstein's energy mass, Einstein's energy mass relation. You can see here, children. Okay, what happens? A small amount of fuel in this can give us a large amount of energy. You understand? You can see his formula was E for energy, M for the mass which got lost, multiplied by C square. C is the speed of light. Speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Such a big number, children. And that too square of it. Okay, so you can imagine what a big number it is. That multiplied by small loss of mass. Okay, so naturally this number answer what I'll get will be a big amount, that is this energy. So you can imagine, children, okay, such a lot of energy can be obtained in a nuclear energy. So this energy can be used because a lot of energy is produced. It can be used for constructive purpose. Okay, so constructive use can be, children, what will be the constructive use of it? Okay, constructive use, I can call it like it can be used in power station, atomic power station. It can be used in constructive use. Okay, used in power stations to produce electrical energy. Okay, electrical energy. A small amount of fuel is enough to generate large amount of energy. So naturally it can be used in power station to produce electrical energy, and it is used in India also, in many places. Electrical energy is obtained from electrical energy obtained from atomic power station. Atomic power station uses is nuclear energy. Okay, then destructive purpose also it can have. Okay, which is very dangerous. Destructive use. Okay, what is the destructive use? Okay, it is used in okay, atom bombs. Okay, it is used in atom bombs. Okay, atom bombs, where it is used in the idea of this. Okay, it is used in atom bombs, where the explosion of a bomb where the explosion of the bomb results into explosion of a bomb results into lot of heat energy and various energies destroying everything. Okay, I just gave you. Sometimes they may ask you, okay, the constructive use of nuclear energy, destructive use of nuclear energy, you should be able to pen it down, okay? Write it down in your own words, nothing big, okay? So anyhow, after this nuclear energy, we go to the next of this energy, like this was the seventh one, let me put. Okay, now we go to geothermal energy, okay? So what is geothermal? What is geothermal energy? The energy that gets released deep in the interior of the earth, the energy, okay, released in deep interior of the earth, deep interior of the earth, due to radioactive disintegration, radioactive disintegration, the energy released in deep interior of the earth due to radioactive disintegration taking place, and which heats up the water bodies, heats up the water bodies around it, is called a geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, okay? I'll say it in very simple layman's. See, जमीन का अंदर जो रेडियो एक्टिव मटेरियल है वो डिसइंटीग्रेट होता है. जब वो डिसइंटीग्रेट होता है मतलब वो रेडिएशंस देता है. जब भी रेडिएशंस देता है, गॉट इट, उस टाइम एनर्जी निकलता है, कोई बहुत एनर्जी निकलता है. वो एनर्जी को जियोथर्मल एनर्जी बोलते हैं. गॉट इट. So energy released in deep interior of Earth due to the radioactive disintegration taking place and which heats up the water bodies around it is called geothermal energy. Got it? Kabhi kabhi, please have a look here. You must have seen some picnics, okay, picnic spots and all. You see some hot water springs. There's hot water springs. The hot water springs are the examples of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. The geothermal energy hitting the hot water bodies, okay? Those water bodies, they come to the surface in the form of hot water only. So that is, we call it as hot water springs. Are examples of geothermal energy in our, like, anyhow, children, this is one. The hot water springs are examples of geothermal energy. Got it? Also, the companies that are rented out, the companies obtain such lands from the government on huge rents and produces and use it to produce steam directly to the companies obtain such lands, okay? The companies obtains such lands मतलब such lands जहां hot water bodies है नीचे, okay? Such lands, okay? Such lands from the government on huge rents, okay? And use it to produce steam directly, use it to produce steam so as to produce heat electrical energy, so as to produce electrical energy. I hope people are understanding me. It's very important it is, okay? After this geothermal energy, We go to the next.